So we walked down from Jolly's lookout.
This is the Ergoner circuit to Boombana. So we're going to take the Thylogale track. No, look. The noise. Look at this. What a huge tree. Look at this. Huge great buttresses. Wow, look at that. Huge buttress at the back. And then it just disappears up into the canopy. Look at that. Buff, big tree. Huge. We approach a huge tree. There it is. Up, 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 up. There's its canopy at the top. Whoa, look at that. Oh, seen it. So this is a stag parasitic. Beautiful, isn't it?
Stag fern, I think.
Yeah. A rarity. Sunlight at the bottom. A big hole. There's the old tree. Knocked it down. Take the top off. And there we have it. You can see it right at the top there. Sunlight dazzles through. Like this. Huge gum tree. Here's a proper fern. Big one. It's growing out of the tree.
We were fortunate enough to see a red-necked paddy melon. Look at it. There he is, just eating.